Okay, children. So I'm just quickly revising. Money is demanded for three motives: transaction, precaution, and speculative. Transaction motive, I told you, the money which is demanded for day-to-day transaction. The reason is there is a gap between income and expenditure. Expenditure is daily, whereas income is not daily. Once in a month or 15 days, you will get the salary. Transactionary motive is divided into two. Income motive and business motive. It is divided into two. Income motive and business motive. What is income motive? It refers to transaction demand of for money by wages and salary earners. So income motive means who is demanding money? The money is demanded by wage earners and salary earners. Children, please understand what I am talking. Transactionary demand is divided into two. One is income motive, other is business motive. The question is, what is income motive, madam? Income motive is that where the money is demanded by wage earner and salary earner. ये दोनों में क्या difference है बच्चे लोग? Wage earner मतलब जिसको daily income आता है, whereas salary earner means they are getting money once in a month. That is the meaning. These are the people who receive salary once in a month. There are some people who get weekly or twice in a month. Twice in a month, I told you 15 days. एक दिन छोड़कर एक दिन नहीं. Twice in a month means 2 times in a month we will get the salary. That is 15 days. Okay. People have to make regular expenditure, which I told you. So what the people will do when there is a gap between income and expenditure, they will keep more money for transaction. When there is a gap of 30 days, what I will do? When I know that there is a gap of 30 days in my salary, I will be keeping more money for transaction. When I know that I am going to receive income, roll number 25, mute yourself. Otherwise, I will put you in the waiting room. Roll number 25, your speaker, your volume button is on. Yes, do that. Roll number 25. Mute yourself. नहीं करने पर I will put you in the waiting room. I already told you. Okay. So we told that when the gap of receiving money is more money will be kept for transaction. One person realizes that every week he will get the salary from his office. He will be keeping less money for transaction. Because उसको मालूम है एक हफ्ते के बाद पैसा मिलने वाला है. लेकिन सैलरी क्लास के लिए 30 दिन के बाद ही मिलेगा. So they have to make more money for transactional motive. Second is, what is business motive? Business motive means like individual, business firms also required to hold money to meet these day-to-day transactions. So like individual, business people also require money every day. Children, why do they require money every day? Business people, they want to buy raw material. You can take down their point. They want to buy raw material. Then they have to keep petty cash. They have to give traveling allowance. Etc. So businessman को रोज पैसा का जरूरत है. किसके लिए? पेटी कैश के लिए, ट्रैवलिंग में देने के लिए, डेली वेजेस देने के लिए, रॉ मटेरियल खरीदने के लिए, ये सब के लिए businessman wants money. The income interval of the firm may be again once in a month or two or even more. So businessman का income भी individual के जैसा है. He may be getting it once in a month or twice in a month or sometimes even longer. So even there is a gap arises. देखो, there is a gap arises between production and receipt of income. This is very important as well as the firm is concerned. There is always a gap between production and receipt of income. The firm require money for their daily expenditure and to meet other expenses. I told you firm ने produce किया एक गाड़ी. The firm has produced 100 cars. Everything is fine. But the very next day, they will not get 100 rupee car ka price because it will take time. People will also make the comparison. ये लोगों को भी बाकी ये state, बाकी state सब दिखाना पड़ेगा. उसके बाद, what is, like the firm has to sell the product in the same state or maybe in the other state. So पैसा आने के लिए time लगेगा. So there is always a gap between production and receipt. आपको मालूम है कभी भी businessman को same day product sale किया उसी दिन पैसा मिला वो हो ही नहीं होगा because there is always a gap of 1 month, 2 months. After they sell the product, they may get the money. Okay, so business motive means what, children? The money which is demanded for business purposes. Okay, who is demanding? Businessmen. Why they are demanding? Because they may want money to meet their daily expenses. In accounts, what we call it as a petty cash. For example, Narayan Guru College, I am talking about aided section. Petty cash is only 5,000 rupees. It is only allowed. 5,000 के अंदर आपका जो demand है, that can be met. Transaction demand depends upon level of income, time interval, and more factors. What is the connection? This is a good question for MCQ. What is the connection between? What is the What is the connection between level of income and transactional demand? Higher the income, more will be the money which is kept for transaction. Higher the income, more will be the money kept for transaction. Lower the income, less will be the money kept for transaction. Say for example, I will be keeping more money for transaction comparing to you. What is the reason? Because मेरा income आपसे भी ज़्यादा है. जिसके पास ज़्यादा income है, वो ज़्यादा money transaction में देखेगा. जिसके पास income ही कम है, they will keep less money. So there is a direct relationship. There is a direct relationship. Next up, they go time interval. They both important. Longer the time interval, more will be the money for transaction. This is a good question for MCQ. Longer the time interval, more will be the transaction demand. What's the reason? I told I will get my salary only after 30 days. This is a long time interval. 30 days that we will not get the salary because of COVID, etc., etc. Okay. So the issue is the 30 days के पहले तो salary आने वाला नहीं है. कभी-कभी 40 days भी हो जाता है. So I know that delay is going to happen. So what I will do, I will make provision for 40 days का gap. मतलब आज 2 तारीख को salary आया. Normally September 2 तारीख को आना चाहिए. लेकिन it will not happen many times. It may be delayed. So मेरे पास पैसा होना चाहिए. So longer the time interval between the between the income receipt, longer will be the money which is kept for transaction. You look at a daily wage earner. Okay, जो physical काम करता है उसको daily income मिलता है. वो person को daily income मिलता है. लेकिन जिसको डेली इनकम मिलता है वो कल के बारे में ज्यादा सोचेगा नहीं. Remember, those who get less income, they do not think much about future. Because वो लोगों का future है ही नहीं. आज पैसा मिला, कल खर्चा होगा. कल शाम को मिलेगा, परसों खर्चा करेगा. इसलिए we are calling labor class mentality. Labor class का mentality क्या है, children? They do not have the habit of storing, or they do not have the habit of keeping money for future, because they know that everyday jobs are available. Okay, so please tell me, what is transactionary demand? No point. Level of income and time interval में क्या connection है? What is the connection between level of income and transactionary demand? What is the connection between time interval and transactionary demand? Bolo. Somebody is asking you what is transactionary demand. I will ask to someone. Roll number 68. पहला तो unmute करो. 68, are you there? Roll number 68, are you there or not? I have to get an answer, yes or no. Roll number 68. Roll number 68. ऐसा ही टाइम आपका भी करेगा, बाकी लोगों का भी करेगा. Remove the student. I have removed the student. Roll number 70. What is transactionary demand? Roll number 70. Chat box में लिखते हैं कुछ. Roll number 70 है या नहीं?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ बोलो. What is transactionary demand?
Longer the time interval, more will be the transaction demand.
नहीं वो एग्री किया मैं, लेकिन ट्रांजैक्शनरी डिमांड आपको क्या मीनिंग क्या समझ में आया? What is transactionary demand? इसका मीनिंग क्या है? Children, why you are getting confusion over there? What is transactionary demand? the money which is kept for day-to-day transaction. Money which is kept for day-to-day transaction, that is known as transactionary demand. अभी बोलो मेरे साथ, what is transactionary demand?
Money get to
हाँ,
use day by day.
very good. That is known as
Transaction demand.
perfect. मतलब हमारे लिए रोज का जो पैसा चाहिए स्पेंड करने के लिए, that is known as transactionary demand. The money which is kept for day-to-day transaction, that is known as transactionary demand. You are right. Then I will ask to somebody, higher the level of income, dash is the transactionary demand. Higher the level of income, dash is the transactionary demand. Roll number 27. आपका लेवल ऑफ इनकम एंड ट्रांसैक्शनरी डिमांड में क्या संबंध है? रोल नंबर 62. आपका लेवल ऑफ इनकम एंड ट्रांसैक्शनरी डिमांड में क्या रिलेशन है? You can put the answer in the chat box if there is the network issue. हाँ, एक मिनट, इधर तो आया है. Right. इसका आंसर नहीं आया, ट्रांसैक्शनरी डिमांड का आया. You are right. Higher the income, more money will be kept for transaction and vice versa. And the level of income. What is that? Already we have higher the level, we have explained. Then time interval भी हमने बोला. ज़्यादा time interval होने पर एक महीना 45 days बाद ही salary मिलता है. So I will be careful. I will keep that money for my day-to-day transaction. Third point क्या लिखा है देखो. Third point is the price level. We call it as inflation. Inflation means what will happen whenever the price decreases, transaction demand increases and vice versa. Be little careful here. I will explain it again. देखो, transactionary demand is a function of price level. Okay, if the price level is high, what is the meaning? Inflation. If the prices are very high, there is inflation. So when the prices are high, more money will be kept for transaction. And the prices are less. Okay, when the prices are less, then less money will be kept for transaction. I hope it is clear. Higher the price, more money is kept for transaction. Lower the price, less money will be, higher the price, more money will be kept for transaction. Lower the price, less money will be kept for transaction. Then they have written volume of employment. जिसको बराबर employment है, वो well employed है, automatically उसका demand will increase and the price will also increase. I am getting my regular salary, so I am not worried. Next month I will get it. So I can plan properly and I can decide it later. Okay. So this is what we have finished with transaction demand. Next class, we will be dealing with precautionary demand. I'm sharing the attendance. 1 minute. अटेंडेंस देते हैं चैट बॉक्स में क्या तरह भरा है अभी सबमिट किया है देखता है मैं अटेंडेंस लिंक शेयर किया है ओके Roll number 14, I will check your project after some time. Let my lecture gets over. Okay, then I will check it. Have you completed the attendance? Chat box window. Thank you, children. Okay, I am winding up the class.